Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today I have a special treat for you all. Today we are making fajita stuffed chicken breast, and this episode starts right now. Okay guys, as I mentioned, today I am making fajita stuffed chicken breast. Let me show you the ingredients, check them out. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients for our fajita stuffed chicken breast. I have 4 chicken halves, and what I've done is I've butterflied them in the middle, which means you score it, not all the way through, and make a little pocket to stuff it. We've got some fresh cilantro, 3 cloves of garlic. We have our fajita mix. As you guys can see, I have red, orange, and green. Yum, because I'm using Colby Jack cheddar cheese today. We are using Colby Jack cheese. Okay guys, so I'll meet you at the stove and let's get cooking. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna put our 2 tablespoons of VO juice, vegetable oil. All right guys, grab the onions. I have a medium onion, and I also have some cilantro yum yum to garnish, and some tomato paste. But now we're going to put our onions, garlic, bell peppers. I'm right here, you guys. I'm going to save some to garnish, and I'm going to roughly chop some real quick. I have my tomato paste. Coarsely chopped. I'm going to put it in the pan. Oh, it's nice and hot. Oh, it's starting to smell good already, and I don't even have the fajita spices in there yet. Yum, yum, yum. We're going to grab the fajita spice, put all that in there. We got our fajita spice, nice and stirred. So I just put the tomato paste in there. Yum, yum. Alright, so now I'm going to grab some lemon. Maybe 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we are going to brown our chicken breasts. Brown them on both sides. Check this out, guys. God, it smells so good in here already. God, it smells delicious. Check that out. Our chicken breasts are going to be browned on both sides. Our fajita mixture will be cooled down. I'll show you how I stuff it, put it back in the pan. We'll score the sides with toothpicks, and it will be ready in no time. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute. Look at this. Check that out. Now keep in mind, these are still raw in the middle, and that's okay. We're going to finish cooking them. I just wanted to brown them first. Hey guys, I'm back, and we are ready to stuff our chicken breast. It has cooled down with our mixture. As you can see, it's still raw in the middle, and that's okay. We browned it. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab some of our fajita mix. Put it in there. Yum. Ooh. It's still kind of warm. It sure smells good though, I will tell you. Our Colby Jack cheese. Now we're going to put cheese.
Mark, just going back today.
There we have it.
I feel tired-ish. On the counter.
Now we're going to grab our, make sure you soak your toothpicks for about 1 to 2 hours with water so it doesn't burn. All right. That's one. And now we're going to put this back in the pan. And we're going to the next one. Grab some more of our fajita mix. Oh. Grab some cheese. Ooh, it almost looks like a fajita taco. God, it's so darn good. That's pretty stuffed right there. That's okay. All right, so let me just get all this gunk off my hands. Oh my God, I forgot to take my bling off. So guys, I'm gonna put half a cup of water in there on medium heat, and we're gonna let that cook till the chicken cooks fully through. And you guys, when I come back, yum yum, you don't wanna miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Our fajita stuffed chicken breasts are done, and check this out. Smells so good. Now it's time for the magic part. We're gonna go ahead and take this toothpick out. I'm gonna garnish with some cilantro. I don't like to beat cilantro up all the time, so I'll just pull it like basil and not cut it all the time. Just makes it look pretty. It gives you that fajita feel. And of course, you gotta clean your plate because that's what I always do. Check this out, you guys. How does that look? So now comes the yummy part. Now I'm going to taste it. I wonder if my cameraman wants to taste it. You want to taste it?
I do.
All right, come around. My cameraman's actually my husband, so. He's been standing there smelling this, going crazy. Okay, cameraman. There we go. First bite.
So good. That's good. That's real good.
Chicken breast is awesome because you can cook it right away. Like I said, when you marinate it in anything acid, I'll use white distilled vinegar, I'll use lemon juice. Anything with acid in it will work as a meat tenderizer for chicken breast because it's very dry. So it's probably very juicy, I bet.
Very juicy.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay,
Cut it with a fork.
my turn now.
Okay.
One little piece of cilantro. God, this is hot. Ooh. Here it goes, guys. Oh, good. Mmm. Mmm.
That's good.
All my followers know I'm a double dipper, so I gotta try it again.
Go ahead.
It's a must. Ooh, you can taste that cayenne back of your throat.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Very fajita-ish.
It is.
That's a new one, fajita-ish. Mmm. Mmm. Stop it, you guys. That's good.
It is.
So, keep in mind, the half cup of water that I put in there to steam and finish cooking the chicken breast turned into 1 cup. And that's where you have all that sauce afterwards that you put on there. Mmm, so delicious, you guys.
Delicious.
So remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, comment, and if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button. And don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And don't forget, our new designs are out on our merch. As you can see, my Passion and Love apron, his Passion and Love t-shirt for men, great quality. You can get it, see below on the screen at www.stovetopyumyum.com, you guys. And my 2 main ingredients in every episode, like I always say, are
Passion and love.
that's right. I don't care what you look like. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. If you incorporate those 2 main ingredients, passion and love, in any recipe you make, it will not fail. I promise you it will not fail. And as I always say, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.